the deep history and metaphysical power of Sak Yant, ancient sandstone carvings of devas, slowly fading into a close-up of a modern Sak Yant tattoo being applied. The human skin has served as a canvas for the sacred for over 1,000 years. In Cambodia, this is not mere body art. It is Sak Yant. It is a bridge between the physical body and the unseen realm. To understand Sak Yant, we must look past the ink and into the soul of the Khmer Empire, where history, Buddhism, and the ancient mystical sciences collide. Part 1. The Pre-Angkorian roots. Long before the construction of the great temples, the Khmer were practitioners of animism and Brahmanism. The Yantra, the geometric diagram, was considered a visual representation of the universe. When these ancient spiritual technologies merged with the arrival of Buddhism, Sak Yant evolved. It became a protective armor for the Khmer warrior, King Jayavarman VII. And the great architects of the Angkorian era understood that symbols held resonance. The same mathematical precision used to align Angkor Wat to the stars was applied to the human body through these sacred marks. Part 2. The Buddhist philosophy in the context of Cambodian Buddhism. A yant is a Dhamma vessel. The process of receiving one is a meditative initiation. The Pali mantras, every line, every curve, and every in a yant is a syllable of Pali, the language of the Buddha. These aren't just decorative. They are living mantras, the ritual of blessing. A true Sak Yant is applied by an akar or a monk. The act of tattooing is accompanied by deep, rhythmic chanting. The needle is not just piercing skin. It is sowing the prayer into the individual's consciousness. This documentary was prepared by Mr. Kim for History Challenge Cambodia. If you find value in uncovering the hidden histories of our land, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to support our journey into the past. Part 3. The mechanics of magic. The magic of Sak Yant is often misunderstood by the outside world. It is not a magical cheat code for life. It is a covenant of conduct. In the Khmer tradition, the power of the Yant, whether for protection against harm Kong Krepan or the attraction of prosperity meta, is strictly conditional. It operates on a principle of spiritual resonance. If the wearer breaks their moral vows by harming the innocent, disrespecting elders, or engaging in deceit, the protection is said to vanish. The ink remains, but the light within the symbol is extinguished. It is ultimately a test of personal integrity. Part 4. The iconography. Consider the common designs found in the Angkor region. The Naga, often featured in Yants, representing the protector of the Buddha, the guardian of the earth's waters. The Hanuman, symbolizing absolute devotion, courage, and unwavering strength. The sacred spirals, unalone, representing the path to enlightenment, the chaotic twists of life leading into the straight line of liberation. Conclusion. A legacy carved in skin today. As you walk the streets of Phnom Penh or the quiet paths of Siem Reap, you might see a faint faded yant on the arm of a farmer or the back of a monk. It is a reminder that the history of Cambodia is not just in the walls of the temples, but in the people who carry the ancient teachings on their own bodies. The Khmer Empire may have evolved, but the connection to the sacred remains unbroken.